Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan oyster sauce. First, gather your essential ingredients for this flavorful plant-based condiment. Begin by soaking about 1 ounce of dried shiitake mushrooms in 2 cups of hot water for at least 30 minutes, which creates a rich, earthy broth. You will also need a half cup of high-quality soy sauce, ensuring a deep savory foundation for our sauce. This initial step is crucial for developing the characteristic umami that defines authentic oyster sauce. To truly elevate the flavor profile, incorporate additional ingredients that enhance both umami and sweetness. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or maple syrup to provide a pleasant, balanced sweetness. A half teaspoon of dark sesame oil offers a warm, nutty aroma, while a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper adds a subtle, gentle spice. You might also include 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, which brightens the overall taste beautifully, ensuring a well-rounded and complex sauce. Now, let's begin the cooking process to transform these individual ingredients into a cohesive, flavorful sauce. After soaking, thinly slice your rehydrated shiitake mushrooms. You will also finely mince 3 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of fresh ginger. In a saucepan, combine the mushroom-soaking liquid, sliced mushrooms, minced garlic, and ginger with your soy sauce and all other liquid ingredients. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully infuse and concentrate. Achieving the perfect silky consistency is crucial for an authentic oyster sauce experience. First, strain the simmered liquid through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on the solids to extract every drop of flavor. Discard the spent mushrooms, garlic, and ginger, leaving you with a smooth, flavorful liquid. Return this liquid to the saucepan over medium heat. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of cold water to create a smooth slurry, ready for thickening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.